Hey, how y'all doing? This is Morgan with Morgan Premium Detailing here in Columbus, South Carolina. Today, I just got a small job. It is some oil removal from a commercial carpet. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got. All right, so as you can see, you already got that right there. But this is what it looks like. And customer, I don't have my tripod, so forgive me. But the customer pretty much said that they had some maintenance work and some contractors came in and did some work. But when they walked out of the mechanical closet, which is right here, they kind of tracked the grease or the oil or whatever it was in that closet. They tracked it on the carpet. So they got me to come in here and take a look at it, and you know, we got it. So I'm gonna show you all my process. Okay, so I'm using this chemical right here, paint, oil, and grease remover. It's pretty good for these types of stains. So as you can see, I already kind of got it dwelling. And what I do is I use my bone scraper and just scrape it out. So I'm gonna show y'all real quick. When you see it start to spread, that's when you know it's working. And shout out to Truman Steamers and Green Rhino Carpet Cleaning. Those were the guys that I was watching that gave me this idea. So check it out. All right, so as you can see, it's right there. I'll try that one. And what you do is you just scrape it. You can kind of see it spreading a little bit. Look at that. And then you take your terry towel and just blot it. Now this don't work. This don't work for every, look at that. Ooh. This don't work for every stain. There's just a particular type of stain that this works for. Paint, oil, and grease. So I'm pretty much doing this to the whole, like all parts of the carpet that got this kind of damage. So yeah, you just scrape it. This right here, that too. I don't have my tripod, so I can't set the phone up like I normally do. Yeah. That's how you do it. So like I said, just blot it up with your terry towel. All right, so when you're done with that, I take my Bissell Big Green. I'll be making a video on that soon, pretty much a review. You take that, and I got the attachment, and you just extract it. It's just clean hot water. That's all it is. So cut it on. Okay. Let that quiet down. Okay. So I just got done with that piece. Just want to kind of show y'all the before and after. This is how it looked before. All right. You see it's thick. It's embedded in the carpet, and it looked like it's irreparable, right? But this is how it looks after. See, it just did little spots. That's the spot I just did right there. All right. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that, man. Show y'all what I got going on. I actually have a floor job tomorrow. I got a VCT strip and wax in the morning, and I'll be taking y'all on the ride with that as well. So hope y'all liked it. Hope y'all learned something. I will leave a link to the other channels that I was talking about, Green Rhino and Truman Steamers. I'll leave links to those channels, maybe in the first comment pinned to the top or in the description. But yeah, man, just want to share what I got going on. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. And thank you for the people who helped me before. Thank you for the people that's helping me now. And thank you to the people who are going to help me in the future. Peace.